Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with part 2 of altering my sketchbook. Okay, so let me see here. We got my scissors, my fabric deck, my all-in-one, my art glitter glue in 2 bottles, another pair of scissors. So I am going to add my doily, and then I'm gonna put my peacock on top, like so. Okay.
I knew it was coming, but I wasn't sure when. I am no good with dates, but I got that.
Okay. So I'm just getting my fabric tack. I'm gonna put some here.
I have to dig some more stuff out. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get some of this.
And then I'm gonna stick it on. Then I'm gonna hot glue my peacock on along with my roses. Put that like so. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the glue all and stuff away here. And I'm gonna get my glue gun. Oh, crafty bench. Let me pick up that mess.
Hey, Michelle. Hi, Michelle. Noel Creations. That's a cool name.
Let me clean this up a bit. Okie dokie, put that to the side. And I'm going to get this part here done. I'm going to put a little bit glue right here in the middle. Let me add another glue stick in here. This is going to be like so. I'm going to put that back over here.
Is Leon her honey?
I'm going to put that right here.
Leon is Noel backwards. Oh, I know because my dad, he calls the backyard the pool.
Okay.
Leon. Oh my goodness.
I'm going to stick a little bit more glue under here. And then I'm going to take my roses and glue those on.
I mean, I'm going to sew it. I was on silent again, not on my cord. Oh. Okay. Yep, I'm back.
So I'm going to stick all my roses like so. And just push them down. Okay. Like that. Alright. And then I'm going to take my paper clip and my scraps here. Let me see. I'm going to clip this like that.
What is that?
Oh, this doesn't rip that easy.
Whoa. Oh, yeah. Look at what color's in this kit that you gave me. What color is? Okay, read it.
So I'm going to take these two.
It's something that Zena gave me a while back. Oh.
I'm just going to tie. Actually, no, I don't want to do it that way. I'm going to do this like this.
Yeah. I have the paper pad.
Double it over. Put the paper clip through like so. And then just put this through that. Now I gotta turn this back over and pull it through. like so. See? And you got a paper clip to mark your spot in your book like that. Okay? Now, I should have done this before I closed it, but okay. In the back, I have a spot for a few tags. So, what I did is I took some scrap cardstock and made me a few tags to put back here, like so. Tag 1, tag 2. We'll put them like this. So that is that.
You need to find some good small words.
And then
Somebody should come over here and organize my life.
take this, put one on each corner on both sides, the back end and the front. So I'm just going to take my glue here and cover those.
I thought I had. How about this tag? Does it look okay?
Like so, to cover all that up.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna add something underneath it, like some cheesecloth? Wasn't. I will add a little piece of music paper.
And do the same thing on this side. Flatten this one out a little and put this on top. Okay.
What happens when I organize things? I lose them.
Now I'm going to take a piece of plastic, put that in here so the glue doesn't stick to my page. Flip this over. I'm going to do this one over here and this one right here. So my tags are going to have to stick in the middle like so. Okay.
Took it while you weren't looking. That's not very nice of you. You make digits, right? You make digits. Kind of. Why don't?
Okay. So now I'm going to finish this one up.
Oh, I still got to stitch around. Forgot. That's right. Then you can make digitals of your cards. Stitch the frame of my book. The cards. What cards? Oh, the cards that I made.
Okay. So that is done.
People's digitals on them. Can I start on the outside? What am I doing here? Over here?
Ow.
Stitching around the outer edge.
So now I want to work on my tags. I'm going to put the plastic like this. Part on that and inside like that. Okay. And I'm going to put this to the side for now. And I want to ink my two tags. I'm not going to put anything on them. I'm just going to ink them. Okay. Ink the whole tag up. Like so.
I will see that one in a minute. I think I'm going to slow them all. I need a piece.
Like that. I could glue this a little off the edge like that. But I don't want to do that. What do I want to do? I don't want to punch a, well, I'm going to punch a hole in it. First, let's see if I can round the corners.
Is this the blue pack you sent me? Is this blues? There's blues and yellows in there. Okay.
Well, that's not going to help. Okay, gonna have to round the corners without sneezers. Like so. And make sure it's your fabric scissors. Well, you're cutting through paper too, so I'm gonna grab my other scissors because I don't want to ruin.
What? You and Gerald. What's in front of me? I'm missing what I was looking for a package.
So let me see if I can punch a hole in here.
I don't find it.
Got one hole.
I gave her. I said, well, it just wasn't meant to be. Oh, that's so pretty. Thanks. That is pretty. Thanks, you babies, yes, it is. Yeah, I think.
I'm gonna trim
Oh no.
right here.
It's okay, I like baby.
Okay, so now without causing the craft to lance over here, I'm gonna get my tool out here.
Does that look too dark?
And I'm gonna put some eyelets in there.
It's a little dark, but it's not bad. Maybe I want some red in there then. I can put
Okay.
a lighter one. This is the problem, Tony. But look at the luscious pages inside. They're so yummy. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I just can't stand it. They're just too good. Too good. Nice. What do I put on it? One, huh? What do I put on it? No.
There's one.
Angie, did you see my nose? Oh, Angie, look at my nose. I'm showing everyone my nose. That night? No? Was she not on? What happened? Angie wasn't on? No, I don't know. I don't know. She was on. She was talking earlier. Just trying. No, I mean the night you made the note.
Okay.
Oh, when I made the note. I don't know if she went to sleep or I don't know if she's asleep.
I'm just gonna push that back a bit and hammer it down. Okay. So I got my eyelets in. I need to trim a little bit in there.
When I started watching your video, your organizational video, I know she was right over my head with that stuff. I'm gonna order the mini binder. I like that idea. Yeah? No, the binder that was a really good idea too.
Well, that one didn't work.
Well, not recently, a few years back, I saw on a clearance, and I was like, that would be perfect. Yeah, I like the binder for the stencils, because I have stencils everywhere. I mean, most of my stencils are hanging like off on the ring binder of my rack, my part over here. But I have stencils somewhere else too, like with my stickers. Oh my God, the stickers is what I need to organize. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Ooh, this one's pretty.
And I have an issue with this working right.
Have something to work with. Home Depot had it on sale. Nice. Yeah, it was like $65 for the chrome. They have the chrome or the black. 4-tier, 4-shelf. You know. Oh, okay. Like the metal ones that go in the garage. Yeah, kind of like that. But those are good to organize on. Yeah. Yeah, and it's a perfect size for to put down here. Yeah, a lot of stuff. You can store a lot of stuff on them. Yeah. So she ate solid food. Oh no. She ate solid food. Oh. Are you feeling okay after that? Hold on, gorgeous. Oh, starving, poor thing. She said, "Okay, Dr. Marty."
Try it again. It doesn't seem to want to work for me. The piece keeps coming out.
What am I looking for? Oh, that's pretty. Look.
Not this piece. See, it doesn't even squish it, so I can't do that one. It keeps pulling out my bottom piece.
Beautiful. Beautiful is a good word.
Let me try it one more time. If it doesn't work, then I give up.
Can break out in Christina Aguilera. No, I'm singing Will Ferrell. No, Ferrell. No, Will Ferrell. I can't even say his name. Ferrell.
See, it does. It pulls the whole thing out. I don't know why it does that, but it's not supposed to.
Well, he did in Elf. He did. Do you remember? She was in the shower and he started singing with her. Yeah. It's so cute. I don't know what happened to the sticker. I ate it. I ate it. No, it like didn't peel.
I can keep it for the holes though, but that's okay.
That's our favorite cheerleader on this channel. Swish, swish, swish. I love that song.
So I'm gonna put these in my little sketchbook there. See, this one didn't even squish right. So I have to find a different eyelet to put in the tags. So this one goes there, and this one goes right here.
Zena doesn't really have a whole lot of problem with it.
And I'm going to just close it like so and call this done. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do premieres, or when I upload new content. So I will say this: please be safe, be kind, be caring, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.